In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your subscriptions in Hostinger. If you want to quickly review the services you're currently paying for in Hostinger, the process is very simple and only takes a moment once you're logged into your account. This is useful if you want to confirm which plans are active, check what products are attached to your account, or just make sure everything looks correct in your billing area. To begin, make sure you are signed in to your Hostinger account and that you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon in that area. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open the account menu. After the menu appears, look for the billing option and click on it. This will take you to the billing section of your Hostinger account, where you can manage payment-related information and review the services connected to your account. Once the billing page loads, look for the subscriptions section. This is the area where Hostinger lists your current subscriptions. In that section, you'll be able to see the plans or services that are active under your account. This is the main place to check what you're subscribed to, and it helps you quickly confirm your current hosting or other related services. If you don't immediately see the information, give the page a second to fully load and then scroll if necessary, since the layout can vary slightly depending on the account view or device you're using. The important thing is that your subscriptions will be grouped under the subscriptions section inside billing. And that's it. To check your subscriptions in Hostinger, click the profile icon in the top right corner, open billing, and then review the subscriptions section. It's a straightforward way to keep track of your active services and stay organized with your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.